Hello and welcome to 12 Animal Sign Forecast for the year of 2023. This video is about the pig animal sign and how it will fare in the year of the rabbit. Now the pig has one auspicious star and a lot of inauspicious stars in the year of the rabbit. So let's get into it. So, if this is the first time we are meeting, hello, I am Jayashree Bose, Chinese metaphysics practitioner, author and teacher since 2001. Yeah, that's more than 2 decades actually. And I specialize in Feng Shui, bazi, zeri, Chimandunjia and EJ. So, let's get into the pig animal sign for the year of 2023 and how you guys will be doing in the year of the rabbit. Now, the pig has only one auspicious star. It's actually not an auspicious star, more of an earthly branch interaction, but it's still good, yeah? Something good. Good is always good, better than worse, or the negative stuff. So, the 3 harmony star basically indicates that this year you have the opportunity to collaborate, do joint ventures, do partnerships with others, okay? Depending on which pillar the pig is present, we'll look into that shortly. Then I can tell you where you can look for your partnership business or where you can look for joint ventures, okay? Or whom should you collaborate with? So basically the auspicious star is the 3 harmony star, which indicates good relationship or relationships built because of a joint venture or a partnership, okay? Now, the inauspicious stars, the list is long, but they're very minor. Do remember that. There's dark heaven, sky warrior, back poking and white tiger. Now basically what it means is with back poking, the name itself you can understand that somebody will come and poke you. Okay. Now every time you get poked, you are not going to like it. Okay. Somebody is going to talk ill about you. They are going to judge you. You know, they can be trolling you in your social media account, or they could be giving out negative comments in your social media account. And this is going to get you stressed and you're going to get irritated. Okay. Now, once that happens, okay, you've triggered the negative star. All right. Once that happens, then all this comes into play. Okay. With white tiger, you are extremely aggressive this year. Okay. Now, aggression is good if you can use it to get good results. However, if you're aggressive and then you go after the person who's poking you in the back, it could turn into a legal entanglement. So do be careful about that. Okay. It could also mean that you get entangled in criminal lawsuits. Someone tries to, corner you, or you are prone to bodily, like physical injury. Okay, there could be traffic accidents. You should also avoid playing contact sports as that increases your chances of having an accident. Now, women with this star generally is steadfast and determined. Okay, extremely aggressive. Sky warrior, again, aggression. Okay, aggressive in your pursuits. You need to be careful while playing contact sports. Again, you need to be careful while dealing with other people because you might say something or do something which will offend them and they start poking you in the back or they start talking ill about you. You get even more angrier and then you say something else and then it's basically a war. Alright? An unnecessary war which is going to cause you stress. Now, dark heaven indicates person who likes to debate and who likes to argue. In other words, you do not like to be quiet and you do not like to be spoken ill of. Okay. So that's the reason you get into a debate or you get into a fight. Now, interpersonal relationships obviously could be hurt due to rumors and gossips, and if you partake in the debate and the argument and then you are the bad guy or you are the fall guy and others just walk away. All right. So remember, utilize the 3 harmony star because it's an positive star, and once you're proactively using the 3 harmony star, these negative stars will dissipate or disappear because the positive has been activated and the negative is destroyed. However, do keep in mind, do not get into an argument with others because it could lead to other problems. All right. So we are going to get into your bazi chart so that I can tell you with whom can you collaborate and do your joint ventures with. For that, you will need your bazi chart. In your screen right now, you can see the link is www.tianacademy.com/bazi-calculator-app. You need to create a free account. And after that, you can download as many bazi charts as you want. Alright? So, go get your bazi chart. So, welcome back. And now let's check where is the pig in your bazi chart. Alright? If it's in the year pillar, then your business network, your social circle, your people in your industry, your market, alright? Also your firm or your super boss, these are the people with whom you can do a collaboration with or do a joint venture with. Basically, you need to go to these people and ask them whether they need your help or offer your services, or you can say, you have this product, I have this product if you're in a business. So you can simply offer your product and their product together. You know, shampoo, hair dryer, or I don't know, manicure set with nail polish. Okay, so think of those kind of things. Yeah, so you can collaborate together. If you are in the metaphysics field, supposing you already know feng shui and bazi, you want to do something in Chiman, then maybe go ahead and talk to a Chiman person and say, okay, let's collaborate. I do bazi, you do Chiman, and let's do this program together. So you can work together from people within your industry also. So I do remember to activate that star. Now, if you have a social media account and you're being trolled, or people are passing negative comments, just ignore. Okay, do not engage. Remember, dark heaven, sky warrior, all those negative stars which make you aggressive, and then ultimately a legal entanglement could happen. So do not get irritated. Okay, and do not engage. Alright, you know that there's a button which can hide comments, etc. So just click on that button, hide the comment, or remove them from your list altogether. Okay, no point keeping people who are irritating you. Now, if the pig is in the month branch, it basically means within your business, your product, new service, you can offer in a joint venture, or you can collaborate with others. You have to actively go looking for people to collaborate with, yeah, okay, or to do joint ventures with. Now, if you're doing a job, it could mean your senior or your colleagues, they have the 3 harmony star, okay, they are looking for people to collaborate with. Why not join their team so that you can start working together? At the same time, remember, because it's in your month pillar, it means in your job, somebody could be talking ill about you, okay. Remember, do not engage, yeah, just ignore, because as soon as you engage, you are activating the sky warrior star, the white tiger star, the dark heaven star, okay, and you don't want to activate those stars, because as soon as you engage, it's not that it will disappear, the problems will disappear, instead the problems will increase, okay. It's going to become a war of words, or it could get physical also, okay. So just be careful about that. Now, in the day branch, it means you have very close bond with your family. Now, isn't that great? Okay, so you'll be bonding with your family. If you're already married, then your bond with your wife or your spouse will become stronger. If you are a single person, then you can look for somebody this year, because you might meet somebody nice this year. At the same time, remember, keep your temper in check. If you're living in a joint family and some family member says something about you which you really don't like, or they're poking your back because you're just not doing something, remember to keep your temper in check, because we do not want our family members and ourselves to get into a fight. Yeah, we do not want to argue, because that can create a lot of chaos at home. So just keep your temper in check. Okay, in fact, if you are a person who is into physical sports, then play sports. Yeah, do boxing, get all that anger and frustration and aggression out. Okay, so kickboxing also helps. Yeah, kickboxing also helps. If the pig is in the hour chart, then it means your juniors or your employees might be knowing somebody who wants to do a joint venture or who's looking for people to collaborate with. Go ask them. Okay, go ask them. It could also mean a side gig. If you're already in a job and you want to start a side gig, or have been thinking about starting a side gig, then this could also indicate a side gig. What you need to do is start off your side gig, maybe collaborate with somebody and kick off your side gig. Yeah. This also represents your investments. So which means this year your investments will be doing okay. However, do not let any of the negative stars get the better of you. Do not get into aggressive investment mode. Okay, thinking, oh, I'll make more money, I'll make more money, I'll make more money. Or don't listen to other people's words and invest. Okay, somebody might come and tell you that, you don't do any investments, backpoking. Okay, you don't do any investments. Or somebody might be talking ill about you behind your back. This person doesn't invest any money, doesn't have any investment, etc. Yada, yada, yada. You get fired up and you go and invest all your money somewhere, and it might not give you the results, or it might not give you that much profit. Okay, so do not do it because someone else is saying it. Once you start your investments, get advice from a financial advisor, and then start your investment. The hour pillar also represents your children. So which means that you will have a good relationship or a close bond with your children. Your children also could be approached by someone else for a joint venture or a collaboration, or at the same time, your children might also meet, if they are of the marriageable age or of the dating age, then they might meet someone suitable. Okay, don't just go yet, because I have something for you. Okay, I have a free ebook, which is Align 2023 ebook. Right now in your screen, you can see the link www.geo-principles.com/2023 guide. This is a feng shui and astrology guide. It's a free ebook. All you have to do is enter your email ID and you can download the book for yourself. Now, before you go, please stop for a minute and do like the video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Click on the notification bell icon so that you're notified every time we release a new video. Thank you for watching. Do leave your comments below. Okay, if you have any questions, do leave them below in the comment section and I'll answer them as and when I get the time. So thank you for watching and wishing you and your family a happy and prosperous 2023.